So let's say I want to make a quiz. Then what you can do is you can start typing in a question. Let's say I'm going to say what is 1 plus 1 right here. So let me just go around and correct this as well. So let's say the option is going to be 2, 3, 1, and then let's say, for example, 4 right here. So 2 and 1. So we know that 2 is the correct answer. 1 right here. So 2 is the correct answer. So now when someone answers it, I want to award them some points. So in order to do that, you need to go to settings and then turn this option called make a quiz, and then you can go around back, and here you can see that now points has been added in and there's this answer key. So once you click on answer key, you can go around and select out the correct answer and award out point for answering that particular question. So that has been done. Let me click on plus and another question pops up. So I'm going to go around and say, is sun a planet? So this is going to be the question. And let's say I'm going to go around and say yes and no as an option right here, just like this. And then I'm going to add in an answer key, no, right here. And the point for this one is going to be 1. So you have this, 2 points and 1 point. So if I were to go on to the preview, what happens is that you can see that it says 2 points and 1 points. So they can go around, select out, and let's say this is going to be yes. So let me select wrong answer over here and click submit. And what happens is that it says the quiz has been recorded, and you can go around onto view score and you can see that now this answer is correct while this is not, and your total point is 2 out of 3. And that is how you can make quizzes inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.